quarter of a mile, you will arrive at your destination.
So, welcome back to another Gidman vlog. That's what I say, isn't it? So, welcome back, guys. So, you're joining us on the way to VAGSocietyUK The Show. So, yeah, we're just going to head down today. It's not until tomorrow, but we're going to stay over near Milton Keynes, and then it's only, like 20-minute drive tomorrow rather than the 2.5 hour which we're doing now. So, we cleaned the car, but obviously, like, Sod's law, clean the car, rained the same day, so now it's dirty again. So we're going to try find somewhere to clean it either tomorrow morning just before the show or later tonight. But yeah, really looking forward to it. It's the first show we've ever been on, so it's super exciting. Really looking forward to seeing what else is there, which will be tomorrow, which will in a few moments for you guys. So hope you enjoy this video. If you do enjoy these videos, remember, it really helps, like and subscribe. You need to start saying that more because I don't ever say it. So like and subscribe if you do these videos, and let's get on with it.
I'm still waiting for a different sign, waiting for someone to take me away, get these thoughts off my mind. As I wait, thinking of you, hoping that you are thinking of me too. I cannot sleep without you by me, and I miss you.
So the clean film might have been a bad idea. It was a good idea in theory, but it hasn't really worked out. So we're just going very slow in the hope it doesn't all peel off the car and cover the car behind us. Right, so we just pulled up at the VagSocietyUK show. We pulled up just before to take off all the cling film because we felt like a bit of bed. It was a good idea in theory, it just didn't come through in fruition. But the car's still clean, so that's all good. We'll give it a quick wipe down. So I think the show starts soon, so we're just going to have a wander around and we'll take you with us and we'll just see where it is and have a great day.
Shut it down. Get on my section, don't bother with lames. I'm watching these bunnies bounce. Shorty, your 10, the rubber band. Come on for the 100 pound. All of the talk, but don't run a mouth. I'm trying to be out. All I really wanna know, when we leaving. All I really need to know is when we leaving. All I really wanna know, when we leaving. All I really need to know is when we leaving. and you and you, and you, and you and you, and you too, and you and you. Let's go. When this money we partying, pick it up. Too many bottles we bodying. It ain't enough. Give me the check, I give them the plastic. Don't gotta flex. I know what you asking. You need a lift. You look like you crashing. Here it come.
So that concludes our day. Our first show went pretty well, didn't it? Really. So it was, you know, it was lots of fun, and they're going to do another one next year. So hopefully we'll go on the next one as well. See you in the next one, guys. So personally, I'm not a massive fan of the 350 bumper, front bumper being black. So I brought some primer, lacquer and pearlescent white. Some of this and pearlescent white. We'll just paint it. We'll leave the splitter black, but I want to paint the rest of it white. And we might end up with a two-tone car and wrap the back end black. But yeah, we'll just get the front end painted today because it's a beautiful weather. So if we don't do it today, when will we do it? Back on, though.
When we leaving, all I really need to know is when we leaving, all I really wanna know. When we leaving, all I really need to know.
So I did one layer of paint with pearlescent white, but don't tell anybody it was the wrong colour white. That's just between us though. So I have been and got some Arctic white, which is the actual colour white. So we'll try again. So there'll be one layer of pearlescent, so it might be a bit more shiny than the rest of it. But then we'll do a couple layers with the actual right colour white this time.
Is when we leaving.
This is how legends